But, whoa, this is quite different. Maseve, this week we're not doing a review. However, I get a lot of messages from you guys asking about which car is the best car to buy as a first-time buyer. Some of you asking about options, which cars are good, which cars are not. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to focus on some of the options that I think are the best cars for first-time buyers. So get your drinks ready, get your Coronas ready, get your Heinekens ready. Bona, let's relax, have a good time, and let me tell you about some cars that I think will be good for you. You are new here, welcome. I hope you joined the family, and if you have been an upstanding member of the Maseve Society, thank you so much for your support. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think of this video, and do watch those ads. But let's not waste any further time. What's happening, guys? Let's not waste any more time. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get into it, and let me tell you which cars I think are good. Car that I think is a great buy. This is the car that I think that is a great buy. However, I did mention some reservations I have over this car in one of my reviews, but I really do like it. Please note that this is not in a hierarchical order. This is just cars that I think are really great for first-time buyers. The first car that I think is great is the Chery Tigo 4 Pro. Yeah, I said it. Chery Tigo 4 Pro. Reason being, the vehicle range starts at 279,000 Rand. And when I looked at the Jolion, it starts at a bit much of a higher price. And the Jolion starts at already 443,000 Rand. So it is quite a lot of money, if we're being honest. I think the 4 Pro makes a lot of sense. It's a very nice interior. The exterior is very questionable, but it's a very nice interior. And if you spec it correctly, you could walk away with a really, really nice car. So do check out the Chery Tigo 4 Pro. Another car that I think is a great option for a first-time buyer is the Suzuki Franx. Guys, you cannot go wrong with a Franx. That 1.5 liter engine is absolutely amazing. Get it in a manual transmission and you're good to go. And it starts at 297,900, so it's just under 300,000 Rand. You can get the GLX spec for about 329 or 350,000 Rand, somewhere there. And I really think that it's a great, great, great option. I think you guys should not overlook the Suzuki Franx. Yes, there is the new Starlet Cross, which is exactly the same car, but I think it's just a bit more expensive with about 2,000 to 5,000 Rand. So I think the starting price there is 280 something thousand with the Toyota. Still uses a similar transmission and gear and engine. So the Starlet Cross is a great option. I really just prefer the look of the Franx. So I think the Suzuki Franx is a car that you guys also need to look at. On my list is the Volkswagen Polo Vivo. This vehicle range starts at 266,600, and I think it's a great car, guys. I understand the risk factor. I really won't be oblivious to that. I understand it, but I really love how seamless and how easy it is to maintain a Polo Vivo. It's one of the best budget cars out there. So I really do think that you should shortlist it and recommend it. And I think the one to have is definitely the Polo Vivo Life, right? So that's like mid-spec. That costs 288,000 Rand 500, so it's still under 300,000 Rand. And I think the Polo Vivo will make a great companion for you on the daily. Another vehicle which I would definitely shortlist, however, it is a bit more expensive than the ones that I've previously mentioned, is the Hyundai i20. The Hyundai i20 range starts at 309,900 Rand, and that 1.2 liter engine is absolutely stunning. Whether you're getting it manual or automatic, Hyundai always delivers. I really like Hyundai and Kia as a brand because they have very extensive warranties, they have very good service plans, so they're cars that you can get, and also you have a guaranteed peace of mind with those cars. So definitely the i20, guys. Think it looks good. I mean, I really like it. When I drove it, I was very impressed. So I think you guys should definitely consider that one. And last but not least is the Suzuki Baleno. Everyone knows that the Baleno is such a cream of a crop kind of car. This vehicle range starts at 247,000 Rand, and I think it's absolutely the one to have. Whether you're a student, whether you're working, the Baleno will fit your needs. The most crucial part about the Baleno that I love is that boot space, the deep boot space. Then when it goes in, it's absolutely amazing. So this is a car that I would personally even buy for myself, and I think it's beautiful. Get the GLX, the top spec, if you can afford it, and pay a bit more than 300,000 Rand. You get a nice large infotainment system screen, you get heads-up display even. So I think the Baleno is an absolute game changer, and I really like it. Boma 7, let me know what you guys think of these vehicle options, and let me know also if you guys want me to do more videos like this. I get so many questions in my DM, so I hope this answered some of them. All of these cars are great options. If you think I've missed some cars, please do comment down below and let me know what other cars you think would be great for first-time buyers. And I think someone watching this video and reading the comments will get some insight and get some knowledge on which car to buy. Also, guys, when you are going to buy a car, please, 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 please ask the dealership for the podium. So I've seen on TikTok that there are some dealerships that are not giving customers the podium. So apparently, what they're doing, apparently they're not giving you guys, it's like a receipt. A podium is like a receipt. It entails everything that you get. So whether you have smash and grab, whether you have delivery charges, all those things, because you guys will now go to the dealership thinking you're paying 350,000 Rand for a car, but then they've literally hiked up everything. You end up paying 400,000. So the first thing I tell you, especially when you're going to buy a new car, ask for the podium. Make sure you know what you're paying for, guys. Make sure that you know exactly what it is you're paying for. The second tip that I also have when you're going to buy a car is work well below your budget. So if you're looking for a car worth 500,000 Rand, for example, make sure you look for a car that costs 450,000 Rand. So it's a bit cheaper on your pocket. You need to factor in that when you're paying for a car that's worth 500,000 Rand, you're looking at around 10,000 Rand a month. There's no insurance yet. There's no fuel costs yet, you know? So work below it so you can factor in insurance, fuel costs, wear and tear, you know, things like that. I know that you guys want to buy your dream cars, but don't worry. Just work a bit below your budget and make sure that you buy a car that you really, really like. Another tip of another buying advice tip. What? Guys, my English today. Another piece of advice I can give you is go for a car that you like. Always buy a car that you like and you're happy with. If your friends are now teasing you saying, hey, so, at the end of the month, it's you who's paying the installment, not your friends, not your family members. You are the one carrying the financial stress of a new car. So make sure you buy a car that you're comfortable with and a car that you are happy with. Another piece of advice that I can give you, watch my channel. Watch my channel for the reviews. I managed to get my hands on some really cool cars every other week, and I definitely give you my insight. But I really also wanted to do this video because of the questions I've been getting, and I think that it also will open some more doors into different content creation opportunities and different types of videos that I can help you guys with. If you have any more questions, please do let me know. But ultimately, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Please do comment down below what you guys think, which cars you would get, which cars you wouldn't get. And yeah, hopefully we do more of these videos. And yeah, I'm going to pour, but oh, there's wine here. I'm going to have a glass. Maria Fela. I'm not driving, so you guys can forgive me, right? Right, Boma 7. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.